Welcome back. Today's video is about how to add and set up server stat bot. Alright, let's start. So first of all, invite the bot to your Discord server. Now go back to your Discord server and give permissions to the bot. After giving permissions, type setup. The bot will ask you, which type of channel do you want to use as a counter? So we will type text. After typing it will start creating your server stats. You can also edit the stats if you want, just right-click, go to edit channel, and edit it, except the numbers. Here I will use NickFinder, you can also use if you want, link will in the description. You can also add emoji if you want, just copy emoji from any website or Discord and paste. You can also add more stats like channels, roles, boosters, animated etc. by typing scounter. It will show you the full list of servers stat, which the bot can show. Now to create more, type scounter create. Here I will type channels, you can type anything which you want like roles, boosters, etc. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe.